Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. You all know that we are going through chapter number 6, that is division, and we have already discussed about some important topic from this chapter. So today our topic is division without remainder and with remainder. So let's start our today's maths lesson. Long division without regrouping. So here you need to divide 84 by 4. Okay. So first of all, you have to arrange these numbers like this way. Okay. 4, 84. So 4 is the divisor and 84 is the dividend. The number that divides another number, that is called divisor, and the number that is divided by another number, that is called dividend. So how can you do this division? Here you can see that there is 8 tens and 4 ones. So remember this, you have to start division from the tens place or from the left side. From the left side you need to start division. So you can see here 8 tens, 4 ones. So 8 is greater than 4. So যদি একটা digit আমরা এই divisor থেকে বড় পেয়ে যাই, then first of all try to divide this tens digit by the divisor. যদি আমাদের সবথেকে লেফট সাইডে লেফট মোস্ট ডিজিটটা যদি আমাদের ডিভাইজার থেকে বড় হয়, আমরা সেটাকে আগে ডিভাইড করব. ওকে, সো 4 2s are 8. Then you have to subtract 8, you have to subtract this. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now you need to put down this 4. Okay, so 4 ones are this, the value of this 0 is nothing. 0 to kono number left side thakle tar kono value thake na. So 4 ones are 4. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So until we get the remainder as 0, we will continue the process. আমরা যতক্ষণ না we will get the remainder as 0 or less than the divisor. আমরা যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত রিমাইন্ডারটা 0 পাবো অথবা ডিভাইজারের থেকে ছোট পাবো, আমরা ততক্ষণ এই প্রসেসটা কন্টিনিউ করব. সো উই ক্যান রাইট দিস অ্যাজ 84 ডিভাইডেড বাই 4 ইকুয়াল টু 21. ওকে, now divide 884 by 2 and verify your answer. So we can verify our answer that our answer is correct or wrong. আমরা আনসারটাকে চেক করতে পারি যে আনসারটা কারেক্ট হচ্ছে নাকি রং. ওকে, so divide 884 by 2. So first of all arrange this number like this way. Now we need to start division from the left side or from the here the leftmost place is hundreds place. So you have to start the division from the hundreds place. So first we need to divide this 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we need to put down this 8. So remember this, we cannot put down two digit together. আমরা দুটো digit কে একসঙ্গে আমরা নিচে নামাতে পারবো না. 1 by 1 আমাদেরকে নামাতে হবে. ওকে, so now you need to divide this 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Next 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we need to put down this 4. 2 2s are 4. So here we can see that the divisor is, so for verifying this, first of all you need to write what is divisor, what is quotient, what is dividend. Divisor equal to 2, dividend equal to 884, quotient equal to 442. So we know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient. So when remainder will be 0, then we can use this relation. যখন remainder 0 হবে আমরা এই রিলেশনটা ইউজ করতে পারি। ওকে, so dividend equal to divisor into quotient. So if I multiply the divisor and quotient, we will get the dividend. If our answer is correct and if the answer is verified, যদি আনসারটা verified হয়, then এই রিলেশনটা আমাদের কারেক্ট হবে। So let us multiply the divisor and quotient. Divisor and quotient. And let's check that will I get the dividend or not. আমরা চেক করবো যে ডিভিডেন্ড পাবো এই দুটো মাল্টিপ্লাই করে নাকি পাবো না। Let's check that. 442 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. So we have gotten the dividend. So the answer is verified and it is correct. The answer is verified and it is correct. Okay, so this is how you can verify your answer. Your answer is correct. Is your answer correct or wrong? Okay, next, division with remainder. So how can you do the division when there will be a remainder? So divide 16 by 3 and verify your answer. So first of all you have to arrange the numbers like this way. So this is a 2-digit number. So you have to start division from the right or left? From the left place. So the left place is, most left place is 1. That is 10th place is 1. But this is less than 3. So we cannot divide this 1 by 3. So we will divide this 16 by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1. So the remainder 1 is less than 3. আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে রিমাইন্ডারটা 3 থেকে ছোট চলে এসেছে। So we cannot continue the process. আমরা এই প্রসেসটা আর কন্টিনিউ করব না। So divisor equal to 3, dividend equal to 16 and quotient equal to 5. Remainder equal to 1. So when remainder is not 0, we know the another relation. So we know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let's check if I do this, if I solve the divisor into quotient plus remainder. Will I get the dividend? Let's check that. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the value of divisor? 3. Quotient 5 plus 1. So 3 into 5, 15 plus 1. How much? 16. That is equal to dividend. So the answer is verified. Okay. Next, divide this 4508 by 5. 4508 by 5. So how can you do this division? So you have to start division from the leftmost digit, that is from the thousands place. But 4 is less than 5. So আমরা next place কে নেব, next digit কে নেব, next digit কত হবে? 45. Now you need to divide this 45 by 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Now we need to subtract. 45 minus 45 is 0. And now 0 will be put down. Okay. So the 5 zeros are 0. 5 দিয়ে 0 কে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে আমরা 0 পাই। 0 minus 0 is 0, 8. Then 5 1s are 5. Now this 8 will be put down. 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we can get the remainder as 3, which is less than 5. আমরা যেই রিমাইন্ডারটা 5 এর থেকে বা ডিভাইজার থেকে ছোট চলে আসবে, we cannot continue the process. So divisor 5, quotient 901 remainder 3. Okay, so dividend equal to 4508. Now we need to verify the answer. But here you have to only find the quotient and remainder, so don't need to verify the answer in this question. Okay, so this is how you can verify the answer, and this is how you can do the division with remainder and without remainder. And when remainder is 0, then the relation is divisor into quotient equal to dividend, and when the remainder is not 0, then the relation is divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand, but if you can't understand, you will ask me.